QAT6915 roller conveyor shot blasting machine, engineered for high efficiency, large-scale cleaning of scaffolding, formwork, and structural components. Designed to handle large workpieces up to 3.2 meters long, 1.35 meters wide, and 0.35 meters high. The QAT6915 features a massive 12.4 meter long chamber with a 1.5 meter wide, 500 m high opening. Its robust construction, lined with 12 millimeters thick rolled manganese steel MN13, ensures long-lasting durability in the most demanding environments. The innovative no-pit design simplifies installation and allows for future relocation flexibility. Powered by 8 high-efficiency Q034 Zeeg-driven by a 7.5 kilowatts variable frequency motor. This machine delivers powerful and consistent cleaning performance. The fully automated conveyor system operates at a variable speed of 0.5 to 1 meter per minute, allowing for precise control. An advanced PLC Control System with an Omron processor and Weintek touchscreen ensures seamless operation and monitoring. Built for reliability, the QAT6915 includes a complete abrasive recycling system with a capacity of 60 tons per H-hour and an efficient FD610 dust collector with a 19,000 cubic meters per H air volume to maintain a clean working environment. To guarantee minimal downtime, 8 sets of high chromium wear parts are provided as standard, fully pre-assembled and pre-wired for easy installation. The QAT6915 is shipped in standard containers, ready for global deployment to sites like Israel, its first international destination. Engineered for power, precision, and reliability, the QAT6915 is your partner for superior surface treatment. Contact us to optimize your cleaning process. ATHI, your efficient and reliable expert in surface cleaning and safety.